Yo, what's going on everybody? It's your boy Mr. SA back again with another video. And in this video, I'll be showing you the simplest strategy to get you funded in 2024. As I've used this strategy to pass two challenges with RYZE funding. If you want to join RYZE funding, the link is below. Let me get to the strategy. We are in Euro USD on the 4-hour time frame. What we're going to do on the 4-hour time frame, we're just going to zoom out just to check the overall direction. As we can see that here is kind of a sensitive area, and also here this is what we're going to work with. Then the only thing that we need to do is to draw our trend line from this area to that area, then duplicate our trend line this way, then extend the line. So let's go. Okay, now since we have these areas, we're just going to shift to 15 minutes. So on the 15 minutes it becomes much more clear, because of when we are on the 15 minute, we know, okay, overall it's a buy. It's more like a buying market. Okay, let me go back till here. Yeah, so when you are on the 15 minute, the only thing that you need to do is to turn on your Asian range indicator. The one that I'm using, it's the Asian range indicator. This is how it is. I also turned the number of pips. So this is how simple it is now, guys. As you can see here, the market ranged for about 18 pips. What we do then, we mark the low of the Asian range. We wait for a breakout of this low. Then when we get a breakout of this low, we see we got it here only on the 15 minutes, guys. Remember, only on the 15 minutes. We wait for this candle to close. So when this candle closes, we put our sell stop below the wick of that candle, then put our stop loss at the high of that candle. The only thing that the only difference is that we'll be targeting a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. This is how simple the strategy is. We don't need to complicate it. Just do like as I tell you. You see, we have one trade. We won one trade here. We mark the low, then we mark the what? The high. We wait for the candle to break either the low or the high, then we set our limit below the candle's low. No, not this one. We set our limit below the, then we put our stop loss above that candle. Then we target a 1-to-1. Remember, this is like the simplest strategy. You don't need to complicate it by going for like higher risk reward. No, just a simple strategy as I'm showing you guys. You see that one was below 20 pips. Now this one is above 20 pips. What we're going to do again, it's more like the simplest thing. We're going to mark the high, then we're marking the low. Okay, then like we said, we are waiting for price to break above the high or the low. Then when price breaks above the high or the low, we just wait for a proper candle close like this. Then when the candle closes like this, we know we are going to wait then for the high or the low of the candle to be broken. When the range is more than 30 pips, we don't take trades on that day. But when the range is less than 20 pips, we do take trades. Okay, here's another example. Let's mark out our high, then let's mark our low. Then what we are going to do is going to wait. We are going to wait for a candle close. You see here we got our closure on this area here, but this candle didn't break the previous candle's low, so it's not valid. Okay, so here, let me delete this, let me remove this. Okay, so here, this is like a textbook entry. We got our break here on this candle. The market closed below here. Then when it closed below here, it broke this candle's low with this candle. Let me show you. We could have gotten our entry here, our short entry. We put our sell stops here. We put our stop loss on that candle's high. Then we got our simple 1-to-1. Just the simplest strategy. It works properly on the 15-minute, but you can go lower. So on this one, we mark the low. We see the low is broken. We mark the low and the high. Then we put our stops here, targeting a 1-to-1. Put our stop loss above the candle. We could have gotten like a simple quick trade, a simple 1-to-1. Okay, here's another example. Let me go through it one more time again. You see, we mark the low, then we mark the high of the Asian range, then we wait for the candle to body close. Here we can see that we got our closure, then here the candle broke the low. Then we set our sell stop here. We put our stop loss above the candle's high, then target a 1-to-1, a fixed 1-to-1. You see here, simple. I've been using this simple strategy to pass my challenges. Even yesterday, okay, this is the current data. Even yesterday, I got in a trade here because I marked the low, I marked the high, then the candle closure. Then I put my stop loss above here, then take profit here. Simple. You can always go for a 1-to-2, but me, I prefer a 1-to-1. These are the rules. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If you made it this far, now be sure to like and subscribe. If you want to join my community, I opened a new group on Telegram. So if you're interested, just hit the link below. Much love, peace and happiness. That's it for this video. Thank you.